Haden ka jingiakhi ka babonsngi ka bala penlong da ka Meghalaya Commercial Trucks Owner and Driver Association MCTO&DA bandawa na ki cement company pan aya ka baikit baiba kat kum kador bala bu da ka sorkar ka bala poiru sa da upot baki pulit kin bom kin tit ya ki khot ka MCTO&DA ban siatru da ki terkas ka bala penbitar ki pajba ki bayo i dala ki jong ki khamat ya ka tei ka jingla don bor ki pulit Mentakasni, Deputy Chief Minister uba Prestone Tynsong ula wari gidi khot ka MCTO&DA ban wan saka medjong ka jingiakren iasngewthuh jingmun. Uba Prestone ula katpat ya ka MCTO&DA ban wengno ya ka jingiakhi jongki. Ban wan ya kren bat ka sorkar. Kadba haka biadai bat ki basyakem uba Prestone ula ong baka ankan le laka jong ka kamram.
Is not affected. About this truckers agitation and how is the government looking at?
The latest is in fact today in the afternoon, our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Shri who is also looking at the transport department. He has a meeting with them again today in the afternoon. So from the government side, we requested them to withdraw the agitational program, and instead of doing that, better you come to the table for discussion. So now we have requested them to immediately lift the agitation, and we are waiting for the decision to be taken by them, I think, now in the evening.
What about the people who are arrested?
That, the law will take its own course. That's what I'm saying. So first of all, we would request all of them to call off the program and make sure that the movement, the traffic movement goes smoothly as usual.